Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to choose a best mining pool. So watch this video till the end. The purpose of a Bitcoin mining pool is for a group of miners to join together and form a pool. By combining resources from all clients in that pool, they increase the odds of discovering the solution to a given block. When a solution is found to the block, it rewards the newly issued coin to the pool owner. The pool owner then divides the coins between the miners based on their contribution. Pooled mining produces a constant revenue of smaller values, whereas solo mining tends to be more erratic and could take years to mine one block. Pooled mining can generate a 1 to 2% higher income due to long polling provided by the pools. Solo mining wastes time due to only supporting Getwork poll. When looking for the right mining pool to join, your goal is to find a fair pool that you can trust to provide you with optimal payouts in exchange for your time and energy resources. Though, the pool you choose, statistically, will not increase or decrease your odds. Choosing the right pool can greatly increase your overall earnings. So here I will give you some tips that will help you to choose best mining pool. So let's start. Number 1. Reputation. Join a group and see what others are saying about any pool before joining it. You will get the best information from miners who have already tried the pool themselves. Number 2. Pool fee. Most pools charge a fee every time a block is discovered. For the highest payout over time, finding a reliable pool with the lowest fees is crucial. When making your decision, start with considering pools with no fee at all. Number 3. Uptime efficiency. Do the research before committing to a pool. Make sure they have an uptime of 99.5% or higher. Check to see if the pool supports backup servers in the case an outage. Number 4. Support and feedback. It's important that a pool has an open line for support and feedback in case you encounter technical issues or notice any discrepancy in your payout. Number 5. Location, latency. Choose a pool running on a server near you. If your computer takes too long to communicate with the pool server, you will lose precious shares. Shares received after a block change, intended for the previous block, are considered stale and not counted. Number 6. User interface panel. When choosing a pool, be sure to check their statistics page and API tools to determine which provides a better user experience. Number 7. Difficulty. A pool with a higher difficulty means either there are more miners in that pool or they are using high-end mining hardware. This shouldn't be a concern when picking the right pool, as the difficulty will adjust based on the shares your hardware submits. Number 8. Payout threshold. Always check a pool's payout threshold. If the pool has a high payment threshold, low-end mining hardware may not be feasible. Number 9. Pool hash rate. Comparing a pool's hash rate to the network hash rate is a good way to measure how often the pool will discover a block. Statistically, this will average out over time and should not affect your overall payout over time. Number 10. Payout. In this method, rewards are determined based on a division of rounds. The round is measured by the time separating one block discovered by the pool to the next. Conclusion: it's impossible to find a pool that meets every expectation perfectly, but as you see, there are many factors to consider while choosing the right mining pool for you. Ideally, the right pool should offer low, no pool fees, a great support team, a server near you, flawless uptime and backup server, a great reputation, and it provides a friendly user experience. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.